In retail, Wi-Fi design is crucial. Wireless professionals must understand customer needs, like how the network will be used and device types. For instance, mobile point-of-sale systems are mission-critical. Coverage areas and device density also influence design, ensuring a seamless, wired-like experience for both customers and employees. Deploying Wi-Fi in retail spaces presents challenges. Leased spaces may limit modifications, and obstructions like HVAC ducts complicate installations. Aesthetics matter too, as access points must blend with the brand's look. A controller-based system is recommended for managing multiple locations, ensuring technical support is readily available to minimize downtime. Post-deployment continuous assessment of Wi-Fi performance is vital. Modern tools help identify issues and optimize networks. Efficient operations boost productivity and revenue, as mobile devices streamline tasks. A robust wireless infrastructure supports these applications, ensuring they run optimally and enhance the retail experience. In the evolving retail landscape, technology is key. Wi-Fi is retail's secret weapon, enhancing customer experiences and operational efficiency. Despite online shopping's rise, brick-and-mortar stores thrive by staying technologically current. Wi-Fi differentiates the fittest retailers, ensuring they remain competitive and innovative in this dynamic industry.